Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi currently operates from 4 campuses: Kashmiri Gate, Karampura, Lodi Road, and Qutub Institutional Area. Today we will focus on the Kashmiri Gate campus, which has received an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How are the MA courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting right off with placements rated 4.2 out of 5 stars. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 602 students graduated from the 2-year PG program in 2022-23, and of these, 123 students secured placements, while 200 students opted for higher studies. Top recruiters visiting the campus include Accenture, Deloitte, HDFC Bank, EY, Axis Bank, as well as media houses like The Hindu, India Today, and The Guardian, along with NGOs and research firms. Roles offered range from gender researcher, policy analyst, and social activist to literacy critic, translator, manager, and HR positions. The highest salary package reported ranges from 10 to 12 lakh per annum, with a median salary of 7.5 lakh per annum for 2022-23. A look at the year-on-year trend shows a consistent increase in median packages over the past 3 years. Compared to Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, AUD offers better packages to its students. Regarding internships, students note that a minimum of 70% is required to corporate opportunities, with common roles including writers, literary critics, and translators. Moving on now to the academics, where AUD offers a 4.5 rated MA program with 15 specializations, including gender studies, visual art, and development studies. To be eligible, candidates must have a minimum of 45 to 55% in their undergraduate degree, depending on the chosen specialization, with admission based on CUET PG scores. The program fee for the 2-year ranges from 1.58 lakhs to 1.68 lakhs, depending on the specialization, with scholarships available for meritorious, economically disadvantaged, and reserved category students. Moving on now to the 4.6 star rated infrastructure. As per students, the campus features smart air-conditioned classrooms, well-equipped computer labs, and an extensive library, with all supported by campus-wide Wi-Fi. While hostel facilities are currently limited, the Kaveri Hostel at Kashmiri Gate offers 45 seats for female students, with both the hostel and mess services receiving positive feedback from students. Sports amenities cater to a range of interests, featuring facilities for basketball, badminton, chess, table tennis, volleyball, and football. Turning to faculty and course, rated 4.6 stars. Students commend the qualified faculty, many of whom hold PhDs, and the industry-aligned curriculum. A mandatory 75% attendance criteria ensures active participation, while substantial research opportunities through workshops and projects by the Center of Research Methods and Initiatives on Urban Ecology and Sustainability enhance the academic experience. Additionally, MOUs with institutions such as the University of Delhi, Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti Language University in Lucknow, and the National Minority Development Finance Corporation further enrich student learning journey. Moving on now to the campus life, rated 4.7 stars. It is engaging, featuring student clubs focused on dance, debating, fashion, fine arts, literature, music, and visual culture. The campus buzzes with activities like Shodhotsav, book talks, capacity development programs, and the annual fest Audacity. Lastly, as for the rankings, AUD is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi, Kashmiri Gate campus, and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below, and don't forget to like and share this video.